Donut toaster makes homemade mini donuts. Let me ask you a question. What is better than donuts? Nothing. That's exactly right. Nothing beats a good donut. What if I told you that you could make your own mini donuts right at home that are just as delicious as the store-bought ones? It's true. It's all possible thanks to this home donut toaster that lets you make 8 mini donuts at a time. The donut toaster makes homemade mini donuts easily, and you know what that means. It means that now you can indulge your sweet tooth with hot, fresh, homemade donuts anytime you want. You are the bakery. The donut toaster is super easy to use and easy to clean. Silicone molds get popped into the toaster after the batter is poured, and it makes up to 8 mini donuts at a time. The silicone molds fit perfectly into the donut toaster, and have tabs on the top of them to easily pull them out when done without burning yourself. It works just like a toaster. You fill up the mold with batter, close it up, and then pop it in the toaster. It doesn't get any easier than that when it comes to making donuts at home. Are they done yet? The entire family is going to love this kitchen appliance. Donuts for everyone. Whether you like them with milk or with coffee, you better get your drink ready, because the donuts are ready. The mini donut making toaster is yellow and blue in color, comes with 2 silicone molds, red and blue, has 3 heat settings depending on how well you like your mini donuts toasted, and it measures 5 inches x 9.5 inches x 5 inches.